Yes, sir.
It's audible.
Okay. So this is what we have discussed in the last class. Uh,
Recording in progress.
Bashir, you're asking the timestamp coming, right?
Yes.
Do you find a solution or not?
Yes, sir. Two char. I use it two char at select levels.
Okay. So one more simplest way I will tell you.
Okay. Sir.
Just go here. From date, word properties. Type it then here. You don't need to change the query also.
Okay. Sir.
Right? Date you can put. Date format. Then timestamp will not come. Like this. And we are about to discuss on the this one, right?
Sir, one more doubt regarding
Yeah.
this.
Yes.
When I select invoices, both invoice and checks come, sir. But when I select a check, only check data coming. But when I select all, only check data coming, sir. Why is it happening?
But for me it is not happening, no?
Yes, sir. Like I did any mistakes, sir.
That we need to debug. See, to debug what you will do now.
Sir.
To debug what you will do, you. So before the this execution, you need to print the selected value. To print that one, what you will do? Copy this one, paste here. So this value will be print, right?
Okay, yes, sir.
So now you see this one. Click on PDF. So what is printing check?
Check.
This value you can put in the if condition.
Okay, sir.
I think maybe the in if condition the value not correct. The whatever you selected.
Yeah, yes, sir. I will check it.
Okay. So now we need to discuss about the. Yes, my folder. So invoice info query and this data model, right? So we need to discuss two important things, right? What is that? We need to display total invoice amount. Total invoice amount. Total invoice amount. And 5%, 1% of delivery charges. Total invoice amount we need to display below of the here. For example, so this is check it is coming here, but if it is invoice, so here we need to display the total invoice amount. Sum. That is one thing, and we need to add one more column, that is delivery charges. That is delivery charges. That means invoice amount, whatever it is there, that needs to be calculated 1% of this amount and display here. Understand or not? Okay, so 1% of delivery charges need to display spread column. Total invoice amount should be print like this here. Okay, so for that, so there is a concept called summary column. There is a concept called summary column and formula column. There is a concept called summary column and formula column. Summary column means display some average. So these functions, summary column, which Oracle given options. Formula column, we are going to write our own summary column is which Oracle given options. Formula columns, we are going to write our own formula. We are going to write our own formula called as formula column. So using Oracle given options, how we can calculate formula, how we can write our own formula to display this 1% delivery charges. So here this delivery charges we can use as formula column. Total invoice amount we will use as summary column. Total invoice amount we can use summary column. Delivery charges we can use as formula column. So what we will do? So this both summary column and formula column summary column and formula column we can define in summary column and formula column we can define in data model level. Summary column and formula column we can define data model level. Okay, so how to define I will show you. Once the data model, these two columns have been prepared, then we need to map these two into RTF also. We need to define these two into RTF template also. First, we will see how to define the summary column and formula column in the data model level. Then we are going to map this two into RTF level. So let's say go to so let's say first I will do the summary column. So this invoice amount is there, right? This invoice amount, drag and drop here. Invoice amount, drag and drop here. Invoice amount, drag and drop here. Properties. Drag and drop the invoice amount here. Properties. So here you can mention total. So these functions. So whatever I am showing the functions, right? This given by Oracle. Average, count, first, last, maximum, minimum, summary. So now in this case, we need to the summary. Summary means sum. Data type integer. Or maybe you can do the double. So for example, for one of the date range, there is no invoices. So in this case, value will come null, right? So in this case, you can display the 0. That means if the no data found, we need to display the 0. That means if there is no data found, we need to display the 0. Round function 3. 3 means, for example, 10,000.890. Sometimes clients say that I don't want to display 3 decimals. They want to display 2 decimals. Then in this case, you mention 2 here. Yeah. Yes. Click on. So this is the summary column. So first drag and drop here, then go here properties. So the names you can give any name. So display name, alias name you can give any name. Function name summary, double you can mention. So if the value is null, I'm going to display the 0. So decimals, I'm going to mention 3. Click on OK, save. Now how to define the formula column? So in this G_1 group 1, in the G_1, add element by expression. Add element by expression. G_1 add element by expression. Here add element by expression.
Delivery charge.
Yeah, delivery charge. Should be double. Nice amount into 0.01. Like 0.01 is the 1%. Click on OK. Like this. Understand? Do you want to show on second case or it is clear how to define the column?
క్వశ్చన్ అది ఇంకో ఫోన్ ఉండాలి ఆడ ఉంది చూడు. See one question.
Yeah.
In BIP reporter, do you have any regular expression? That kind of option we have.
RTF level we can do those regular expressions on the sheets.
What one see?
In RTF level only we can do, but I have not tried.
Yeah, okay.
I have not tried.
Yeah, okay. This question they asked.
I think we can do this regular expression in query level.
Okay.
Query level we can do as per my knowledge, but RTF level I am not sure whether we can do or not. So you can go through this.
Yeah, okay, one see.
Oh. Yes. Now what you will do? Data, set invoices.
Mikra.
Okay. View. Table view. But in the see here delivery charges coming, right? Delivery charges it is coming. Okay, delivery charges it is. What about the summary column value not coming, right? The summary column value not coming. Sometime it will come, sometime it will not come. Okay. But the XML tag will be generated, guys. Summary column, sometime it will come here, sometime it will not come. But XML tag will be generated. So export. Export. Invoice data from XML. Now go to RTF template. Go to RTF template. Like this. So if you see the fields, okay, now if you see the fields, you will see the XML tag. So here it is showing means the XML file also the total yeah, XML file also.
నేను బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోవాలా అంటున్నా.
In XML file also you will see that
ఎవడో దానికోసం వస్తున్నాడు.
the total invoice came, right? So in the XML it is coming means that means in the RTF also it should show. It is showing, right?
అయినోళ్ళ కోసం సారీ అయినోళ్ళ కోసం.
Now what we will do simply you put the cursor here. Put the cursor here.
జీవన రైట్ బాట్లో ఎత్తుకోతావా?
Put the cursor here and insert that.
600 ml ది.
And what about delivery charges?
కింద ఉంటే ఇక్కడ తీసుకోండి. లేదంటే అక్కడ రోడ్ మీద
delivery charges what will
లేకపోతే
select here?
రైట్ అవుతారా? అది ఫస్ట్ లింకా.
Insert.
లింకా 600
left or right? Create one more column.
600 తీసుకోవాలి కదా.
Create one more column because so it is this total invoice should come only one place, right? So that is the reason we are not keeping this value in the for loop. So if you keep this in the for loop, what will happen? So every time it will be the value will be print multiple times, right? So
Yes, sir.
so outside of the for loop I'm keeping this total invoice. But delivery charges should be inside of the for loop, right? So for that, insert columns to the right side. You are understanding or not? Delivery charges. Hmm? So now what will here what column you need to map?
Delivery charges.
But this E is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So this E also should come. So this E is there, na? This E should be last column, right? Last column, right? So if you are not adding the E, only one place it will be print, then this column will not be looped through, right?
Yes, sir.
Right or not? So put like this here. Then complete columns should be there in the for each loop. So that first record, second record, third record, all the records will be print till how many records are there in the data set. This will be like this. Everything. Save the changes. Check that. So delivery charges is coming. Total also coming. Now we'll upload this into where? So we have done the changes. We need to upload this into where? Cloud. We need to upload this into cloud. So instead of now we need to use the create report or what we need to do next step?
Create report only.
No. So we are not creating the report. Already report created, right?
Yes, sir. I edit the report, right?
Create report, yeah. So what we will do? So we already created the report. Now we need to update update the RTF. Update the RTF. So for that, click on edit. So edit means go to the properties. Go to the properties, update. So edit means what will happen? The RTF will be downloaded from here. RTF will be downloaded from here. Edit means. So whatever the RTF we have uploaded, that RTF will be downloaded here. But RTF anyway, that is in our local system, right? So for example, you are working one report. So you left in the company. So other guy wants to do some changes. Then in this case, we will go for the edit. So the RTF will be downloaded. See here, RTF will be downloaded. See. But that is not our case, right? We already have RTF, right? So we already done the changes in the RTF. Then we'll go for the properties. Understand or not? Go to the properties. So okay, it should be English. Click on OK. So what it will do when I click the OK, it asks already the same RTF is that you want to override. Like that it will come. The already the local already exists. You want to override, click on OK. So you need to wait for some couple of seconds. Wait for a couple of seconds, save. Like that. Return. Now save the changes. View report.
మచ్చీలంట పోయి దీనికి మచ్చీ కోసం ఎగురుతుంది అదిగో ఫ్యాన్ కట్టేశారేంటి
You're taking SSD. Like this. Total not coming.
Sir, you have uploaded the same downloaded file, sir. Once again.
Oh, sorry. I'm getting an important call. I'm keeping the mute for 2 minutes. Huh? Oh,
టాయిలెట్ పోసి
ఏం కాదు.
properties. This one, right? Okay. Right. View report. Invoices. Right. Delivery charges coming, right? Total loss coming.
జీటీకి ఏం లేదు తింటారు.
Understand or not?
నేను అన్నం తినకుండా మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. రేపు టిఫిన్ ఎవరికి చేయము. 11కి ఎవరికైనా టిఫిన్ అవ్వదు. వచ్చిన వాళ్ళతో సహా.
So that is done.
అర్థం కాదు.
Or next is
పోతే
CSS job.
హలో
Enterprise
యా ఎస్
cellular services.
ఓకే ఓకే
Enterprise cellular services. Actually, whatever the reports we are developing, right? Whatever the reports we are developing. So why we have to create this report registered into ESS job? Okay. So why we have to register this report into
ఓకే
ESS job? There are 3 reasons are there. One is
ఓకే యా ఎస్
so basically
హలో
to access this report, to access this report, the user should have a access to IT security manager and application implementation consultant. Some roles required, right, to access this reports. To access this reports and analytics and browse catalog. So we require the role, right? We require roles or not.
like going on it is like support
IT security,
later we are
application implementation consultant, etc. IT security and application implementation, etc. These roles required.
due to location
Why we have to register this report into ESS job? So,
Hyderabad.
what we will do? So end user wants to open only report, right? So what we will do? End user will not give this catalog option. End user will not give this catalog option. They will only run the report. So where they will run? They will run from. They will run from here. Tools, schedule process. They will run otherwise they will open the report from schedule process. Okay, that is one important thing. So end user wants to only open the report output, right? End user doesn't want to. For end user, we will not give access these files, right? So if you want to only to open the report by end user, so we can register into ESS job. But if we ask to open the report from catalog, so we need to add these roles, right? So that we don't in the real time we don't means end user means we will not give access to these roles, right? If we are not giving these roles, so they will not access this report output, right? So that is the reason we are going to register the report into ESS job. So this is the first second one. So if you open the report, if you open the report from catalog,
సరిపోతులే వచ్చేసి వద్దు
okay,
హాఫ్ లీటర్ 600
if
తీసుకుంటా
we have large amount of
అంతే పెద్దగా
data, where timeout issues will come. But here, if you register, the timeout issues will not come.
ఎవరిలో కోసం అయితే
Issues will not come.
ఎంత దూరమైనా వస్తారు ఇంటి పక్క దానికి నేను పిలిస్తే ఎవడు రాడు
Third, scheduling.
బయటోడే అయినోళ్ళు
is feature and the security features more available in ESS job. Someone definitely will ask you why we have to create the ESS job for the report. So you can say these 3 answers, 3 points. So why can't we open the report from only catalog level? So we already developed the report and we are opening the report, right? So why can't end user can access the reports from here? So why we require the ESS job? So these many points you can tell. Understand or not? So
Yes, sir.
So there are 2 important things we have to remember. 2 important things we have to remember. This
ఐస్ క్రీమ్ ఎప్పుడు
to run the ESS job
నేను చెప్పి
and
నేను అన్ని తినేస్తున్నా
to develop the
లోపల ఖాతా ఓపెన్ చేశాను
ESS job. To run the ESS job, to develop the ESS. There are 2 important navigations we have to remember for ESS job. One is to run the ESS job, to develop the ESS job. Two different navigations are there. To run the ESS job, what we will do, go to the navigator tools schedule process. If I click the schedule process, so this window will be open. To run the ESS job, tools schedule process. Tools and schedule process. To develop the ESS job, what we will do here, navigator, setup and maintenance, setup and maintenance, search, select top right corner of the user. Set top right corner of the user. Setup and maintenance.
ఇది వేడు నొక్కు.
Setup and maintenance. Search. Manage. Enterprise. Scheduler services. So if you look at this one, search. Manage enterprise scheduler job definition and job sets. So based on the model, we need to select this here. Based on the model, we need to select here. If it is supply chain, we need to select this one. If it is HCM, we need to select here. If it is CRM, we need to select here.
అదే ఆటం కట్టేసింది ఇలా.
If it is HCM, we need to select here. If it is finance and supply chain, we need to select here. If it is CRM, we need to select here. So select this one. Because this report is finance model, right? So this is the list of ESS jobs are there. So when I say ESS job, we have
ఎదుగుతున్నారా?
standard ESS jobs given by Parag. So the standard ESS jobs case I will explain later. The standard ESS jobs will explain later, okay? The standard ESS jobs I will explain later, okay? So this example we are creating custom ESS job. This example we are doing custom ESS job. Standard also given by Oracle, so that I will discuss later. Custom ESS job I am explaining. Custom ESS job I am explaining.
పెట్టారేసి
How to create the custom ESS job? Click on. So this navigation is you are clear, right? So once this screen you are into this screen, click on plus. So this is the ESS job creation.
పట్టుకోండి.
So this is the ESS job creation screen. So in our report, how many parameters are there? So 3 parameters are there, right? So the 3 parameters we need to define here. So the 3 parameters we need to define here. And one more thing is we need to move the report into shared folder. We need to move the report into shared folder. We need to move the report into shared folder. So if the report in my folder ESS job cannot be accessed. The report in my folder ESS job cannot be accessed. So keep the ESS job in the shared folder under custom job. Under custom job. So how to find out the custom job? What you will do, go to the, so this okay. So what you will do, whatever the reports are there, na? So these 2 things, data model and report file, we should keep in the shared folder. Go to the shared folder. In the real time also we need to move the shared folder. Shared folder under custom. Under custom. Here we are going to create one folder here. Maybe client after custom, client will tell some folder structure. So in that only we need to move. Consider custom finance module. Financials. This after custom, client will tell finance and Expand. So maybe here they are going to create one folder. Huh? Folder invoices. Something. This name can be any name. So invoices report. So now what you will do, whatever the reports you have developed, right? So from this folder, you need to paste here. How to do that one? Simple. Go to the BA report. Invoice info query data model. Copy. Custom. First to copy the data model. Custom. Financials. Financials of income, right? Invoices report. Paste here. Okay. Same thing. Custom. Like this. So move the report to shared folder. Move the report to shared folder. So that is the first step. Move the report to shared folder. And second step is take the path of the BA. How to take the path? Simplest way is go to the report, more schedule. Copy the path. Just to copy the path only, I'm scheduling. Just click the schedule. Move the report into shared folder under custom tab. Then take the path of the BIP report. Put it like that. So these are the 2 steps. Remaining things we'll see tomorrow, guys. So if I start also, it will not complete. Tomorrow I will continue.